channel. How you doing and welcome to my channel. Bosch has finally bought it out. The 7 1/4 circular saw, full size, cordless 18-volt core battery, model GKS18V-25CB14. 18-volt strong arm connected ready. Circular saw kit with 1 core, 8.0 Pro Factor performance battery. This strong arm circular saw delivers corded performance from an 18-volt cordless 7 1/4 circular saw. The Bosch GKS1825C 18-volt bi-turbo. So it looks like Bosch is finally stepping up their game. So if anyone's interested, it's available. Link will be in the description, and you can find it yourself and buy it. It will be a link to this Bosch's website. Buy it is only available right now at 2 marts. It's $3.69. That's it right now. It'll probably be available at other spots eventually. Maybe Tool Nut. We'll have it soon. Acme, Ohio. Maybe even Lowe's down the line. But they want $369 for this kit. A little pricey, yes. But it's Bosch's first full-size cordless circ. So you gotta roll with the punches, and it's an 8.0 battery, so with 700 cells. You know, it's a core battery. Those are good batteries, but if anyone's interested, here you go. Alright, this is a quick little video. I'll catch y'all on the flip. Alright, next video would be me showing off my DeWalt modular system. I'm probably going to get one more box. Alright, comment in the video which box you want me to get for my DeWalt tough system. It's the 1.0. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's 2.0. When I do get it, it'll fit. Either the small box or the parts organizer box with the clear lid. Either one is what I'm looking for. I don't know which one I should get. I have plenty of small parts too as well, but I, probably do the same thing with the small case. Home Depot's got it for $29. Buy a couple of zipper cases with storage to put them in there, Anyway, catch you later. Peace.